Welcome to the bonus day of your English speaking challenge. You did it! You completed all 10 days. That deserves celebration. That deserves recognition. But I know what you're thinking now. Now what? How do I keep this? Will I lose what I've built? That's what we're here to talk about today. This bonus episode is two things. First, it's a victory lap, a celebration of what you accomplished. Second, it's a practical guide, how to keep your voice strong. How to maintain what you built, how to keep growing. You invested 10 days, that was the hard part. Now I'm going to show you how to protect that investment. How to make sure this transformation stays with you. Are you ready? Let's celebrate your journey and then let's talk about your future. Let's take a victory lap through your journey. I'm going to say one sentence from each day. You say it with me, fast, confident, natural. Let's prove to yourself how far you've come. Day 1, I am ready to begin. Day 2, I'd like to learn more. Day 3, even when it's difficult, I continue. Day 4, I'm finding my own natural rhythm. Day 5, I've proven to myself that I can do this. Day 6, my mouth knows where to go instinctively. Day 7, I'm no longer learning to speak, I'm just speaking. Day 8, I own my voice in English, it belongs to me. Day 9, my English voice reflects who I am, not who I'm trying to be. Day 10, I am capable of change. Hear that? No hesitation, no struggle, no thinking. Just speaking, just flow, just confidence. That's mastery. That's what 10 days of work created. And that's permanent. Let's do that one more time, even faster. Feel the confidence, feel the ease. I am ready to begin. I'd like to learn more. Even when it's difficult, I continue. I'm finding my own natural rhythm. I've proven to myself that I can do this. My mouth knows where to go instinctively. I'm no longer learning to speak, I'm just speaking. I own my voice in English, it belongs to me. My English voice reflects who I am, not who I'm trying to be. I am capable of change. Perfect. That's your journey. 10 days, 10 transformations. From beginning to mastery. Now let's talk about keeping this strong. I'm going to give you 3 keys. 3 simple strategies to maintain what you've built and to keep growing from here. Key number 1, the daily 3-minute practice. You don't need to practice for hours. You don't need to repeat all 87 sentences every day. You just need 3 minutes, 3 sentences. Choose 3 sentences that mean something to you. 3 that resonate, 3 that feel powerful. Say them every morning or every evening. Just 3 sentences, 3 minutes. That keeps the muscle memory active. That keeps the confidence alive. My suggestion, choose these 3. I trust the process completely. I speak English with clarity, purpose, and confidence. I am a confident, capable, authentic English speaker. 3 sentences, 1 from the beginning, 1 from the middle, 1 from the end. But you can choose any 3 that speak to you. The important thing is consistency. 3 minutes a day keeps your voice strong. Key number 2, real-world application. This is the most important key. You didn't build this voice to keep it in practice sessions. You built it to use it in real life, with real people. So here's your challenge. Have 1 English conversation this week. Just 1. It doesn't have to be long. It could be ordering coffee, asking a question, making small talk. Use what you learned. Imagine yourself in these situations. You're at a cafe. You want to order. You use, "I'd like a coffee, please. Could you help me understand the sizes?" Day 1 and day 2 sentences in real life. You're in a meeting. Someone asks your opinion. You use, "I'm curious about your perspective. What do you think about this approach?" Day 2 and day 6 sentences, naturally flowing. You're having a conversation. You want to express yourself authentically. You use, "I believe this is important. Let me explain my thinking." Day 1 and day 8, confidence, real expression. The sentences you practiced, they're tools. Now use them, mix them, make them yours. Real-world practice is how you go from good to great, from confident to fluent. So this week, use your voice. Have 1 English conversation. Notice how natural it feels. Notice how the words come without thinking. That's your 10 days of work showing up in real life. Key number 3, the refresh rule. Here's the truth, you might feel rusty sometimes. That's completely normal, that's human. When that happens, don't panic. Just come back. Come back to any day that resonated with you. Feeling uncertain? Revisit day 1 or day 2. Need confidence? Go back to day 8. Want to feel flow? Return to day 7. The episodes are always here, always available. My recommendation, once a month do a refresh. Pick 1 day, any day, just practice it again. You'll notice something interesting. It feels completely different the second time. Easier, more natural, more yours. That's because you're not learning anymore. You're reinforcing, you're strengthening. So don't be afraid to come back. This isn't starting over, this is building up. This is maintenance, this is growth. Now let me address the fears I know you might have. Will I lose this if I stop practicing every day? No, muscle memory is permanent. It might feel rusty if you don't use it. but it doesn't disappear. A few minutes of practice brings it right back. What if I feel less confident next week? Confidence fluctuates. That's normal. But the foundation you built, that's solid. When you feel uncertain, do your 3 sentences. When you need a boost, revisit a favourite day. The work you did doesn't vanish. Can I redo the entire challenge? Absolutely. In fact, I encourage it. Do it in a month, in 3 months, in a year. Each time you'll experience it differently. Each time you'll go deeper. Each time you'll grow more. You have permission to go at your own pace now. You have permission to revisit when you need to. You have permission to use this challenge as a tool. Forever. Now, let's talk about what comes next. You completed a 10-day challenge. That was the foundation. Now here's your next challenge. Speak English once per day for 30 days. Not practice sentences, speak English. Have a conversation, write something, record yourself. Use your voice in the real world. Once a day for 30 days. That's how you go from confident to unstoppable. This challenge gave you the tools. The next 30 days, that's where you use them. That's where practice becomes life. That's where you truly integrate English into who you are. And remember, you're not maintaining what you built. You're still growing. Every conversation grows you. Every sentence you speak grows you. Every time you use your voice, you get stronger. The 10-day challenge was the beginning. Not the end, the beginning. You built the foundation. Now go build your life with it. Before we finish, let's say one final sentence together. The most important sentence. The one that sums up everything. I am a confident, capable, authentic English speaker. Say it with me. I am a confident, capable, authentic English speaker. Again. I am a confident, capable, authentic English speaker. One more time, with absolute certainty. I am a confident, capable, authentic English speaker. You are. You proved it over 10 days. You proved it with consistency. You proved it with completion. Now go prove it in the real world. Thank you for these 10 days. Thank you for your commitment. Thank you for showing up. Thank you for trusting the process. Thank you for finishing. This isn't goodbye. This is go use your voice. This is keep growing. This is you've got this. The challenge is complete, but your journey is just beginning. Keep your voice strong. Keep speaking with confidence. Keep being authentically you, in English and in life. Congratulations. Now go speak.
Pronounce faster.